Are you preparing? You didn't know what is character, and what is enclosed in double quotes. The first 4 chapters are only very important because those concepts are new. And these things you have learned in previous class also. So if you do 2 or 3 times revision, I think you can do it very nicely. You can do. I think that you know. Okay, so this was it. And as for switch, S will be small. Okay, it's a keyword. It's not a name of a class. S will be small. So should I write a program and you will guess the output? No. You have book with you? You have book? You don't have? You don't have book? Then how you do? You girls have book? You both have book? You take from here. Open page number 78. You buy this book, okay? Okay. Page number 78, there is a program given, switch statement. You can see her book only. Is it given? What is the program doing? Can you explain? First one, that P1. No, which is the variable here used in switch statement? P? Is it integer or character? Character it is. If it were character, then in cases it must have written, it might have written this, no, ABCD or something, where numbers are there. Okay, 5, 4, 3, something like that. So it is integer. Okay. Now, if the value given by the user for the variable is 3, then what will be the output on the screen? Okay, if the value of the variable p given by the user is 3, what will be displayed on the screen? What will be? Yes, scored more than 80% in 3 subjects. And if the value of p given by user is 10, then if the value is 10, if the value is 10, then what will be printed? Sorry, no points. Okay, this is the output. How many statements are there in each of the cases? One statement, and that statement is for printing the message to the user. Ellen, so no, only one message, only one line will get printed. So only one message. Ellen, if you have like,
it will give a single line. That would be the
yes. So one message only you have to print.
Yes.
So it's fine. But if there are sequence of messages and you want to bring the messages one below the other, you will write ln. Okay. So what is the second program doing? Actually, the programs are given half and the half is not given. Where OPCH, name of a variable. Half program is given, you will be very difficult for you to understand. Okay, now open page number 80 and come to ternary operator.
When that switch operator can be anything, no?
You know what is ternary operator? Girls? Types of operators are 3. Unary, ternary. So what is ternary operator? That question mark is your ternary operator. This ternary operator, this question mark and the colon is your shorthand for if else. Okay, so if it is like if I have written if A is greater than B, means if A is greater than B, then do d equal to a minus b, else d equal to a plus b. Means depending on this condition, means if this condition is true, the value of d will be a minus b, otherwise the value of d will be a plus b. So the same thing can be written, I think I have explained this, d equal to a greater than b question mark, means a greater than b. If it is true, then d equal to a minus b. If it is false, then d equal to a plus b. Okay, means this is your, here comes your condition, then question mark means you are asking question, a greater than b, then this is your true part and this is your false part. You do like this. Okay, this is your operators are three. One is unary, then minus minus and plus plus, pre-increment, post-decrement, and second is a binary. Binary operators which take two operands like plus, minus, modulus, forward slash, these all. In binary operators we have so many operators like arithmetic operators, relational operators, these all. And for ternary we have this one, this question mark. Yes. Okay, now I am writing a statement and you change it into ternary operator. If basic is greater than 1000, this is our condition. If basic is greater than 1000, tax equal to 0, else tax equal to 100. Can you write it with question mark with ternary operator? If basic is name of variable, maybe basic salary or something. So if basic is greater than 1000, tax equal to 0, else tax equal to 100. So write the same thing with question mark with the ternary operator. Yes. Who will write? Where are you, Noah? How you will write? Tell me.
When tax is equal to basic is bigger than 1000, when bracket close.
Yes, the value of tax is dependent on these things.
Yes.
So tax equal to
Basic is bigger than 1000.
yes.
Bracket close.
We write the condition here.
0, 1. Oh, sorry.
Question mark. Basic greater than 1000. Is it true?
100, 0. When true is false.
True is first. 0, comma.
Yes, 0, 0.
Sorry, not comma. What are you doing? Colon.
No, yes, no, colon.
Okay. 0. It will be 0. Otherwise, it will be 100.
First one is 2. First one.
So the output will be. The value of basic. Where is the value of basic? Then you can compare, na. Is it done? This one? Now one last question. Then this class will be over. Last question related to this only. Suppose p equal to 5. Okay, p is a variable whose value is 5 and the value of variable q is 19. Okay? And I have int n equal to q minus p greater than p minus q. This is my condition. Okay. If it is true, then n will be q minus p. Otherwise, the value of n will be p minus q. Okay, so we have two variables p and q. The value of p is 5 and the value of q is 19. And the condition is given here. The value of n will be dependent on this condition. Is q minus p greater than p minus q? If yes, then the value of n will be this. If yes, means if true. and if false, if no, then the value of n will be this. Okay. Question is that P's value is 5 and Q's value is 19, and what will be the output of this line then?
Q minus P.
What will be the answer of n then?
Q minus B.
Why?
Because it is 2. 12 is bigger than 5.
First we'll calculate this.
When this is first one will be 12, second one will be minus 12.
Q minus P will be
12.
12
Yes.
or 14.
14.
14 is greater than
Minus 14.
minus 14. Is it true? Yes, this is true. So n equal to Q minus P is the answer. Okay.
Then we
Okay.
have to write n10 or only n?
No. The value of n will be how much?
Nee, when there internally operator. n10 or only n?
See, when you are writing a program and if you have already defined this in the previous lines in your program, no need. But if you have not defined the variable n already, then you will have to use this in this line. Because you have to, in Java, you have to tell that which type of variable you are going to use. So if you have declared this variable earlier in your program, no need to mention it again. But if you are using fresh variable here directly you want to use, then you have to write this. Okay, so this is it. Revise everything, and for term if you will have any query while revising you can ask me. But revise, because that's very important. Yes, please. What happened?
Maybe hospital open. I think. Where is open? No. Call sir. Sir, call sir.